Hello everyone!
Hi everyone!
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, this is the world famous brother of mine, Alan Partridge.
This is the world famous brewmaster of mine, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Alright, people, how's it going out there?
And I'd just like to say a quick thank you to all our subscribers who are now subscribing on YouTube.
It's
We're up to
creeping up.
537, I think.
Yeah.
And our 501 subscriber did receive his free darts t-shirt this week.
I have to say, bro, he looks better in his than we do in ours.
He did actually, yeah. He's feeling a lot better. And we best get on with some beer reviews.
Are we tasting some beer, bro?
We, of course, indeed we are.
That's what it's all about, isn't it? So what you got for me on the board today then, bro?
Right, we could start with Razorback, or Mocha Porter, or a Gose.
Let's start that end.
It starts in.
Here we go, look. Right in. Here we go. It's Festival Premium Ale Kits, Razorback IPA. I think we've done this one before, bro.
Yeah, this is a revisit, just to see if it's as good as what it was before, because it was a while ago since we did it. And we're seeing if it go on the 12 beer kits of Partridge list, of course.
This is a malt extract kit.
It's a malt extract kit, but these are good kits.
Yeah.
You do get everything in this kit, including priming sugar, and a little one of them little sucks go over your siphoning tube if you siphon it.
Cool.
You basically everything you need in there.
Makes 40 pints, pale straw colour with a white head. Yeah, obviously. Aroma, beautiful, fresh, nectarine aroma with underlying tones of pine needles. Okie dokie. Taste, bursting with big hot character, distinct flavours of pine needles and fruit punch, followed by a dry, bitter finish. 5.7, so not the lightest ABV beer.
No, you do get a bag of sugar in, and I did put the bag of sugar in this time, so unlike the American one I left out there, but I did.
Right, okay. So this is as it should be.
This is as it should be. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Ooh.
Actually, it's a fairly strong malty nose rather than a piney nose in mine. Really.
You know what? I'm going to disagree with him. I think that's quite piney.
Well, brewmaster.
I get what you're saying. It does malty, but there's quite a nice piney back end.
Piney back end.
Piney back end. Cheers, let's try it. It's nice and clear, bro.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, now that is good.
Oh, that's good. I forgot how good that was. There's a really good strong maltiness to that, but the pine and the hops do come through. It's not. It doesn't give you that big hot punch.
Has he got citra in it or not?
I don't know. You just get a bag of hops and just stick it
Because
in.
it's got that nice,
Yeah.
fresh, punchy taste to it.
It's not too punchy though, is it?
No, it's not. It's not like a slap you in the face,
No.
full on citra or anything. But that's lovely. Yeah.
Good bitterness at the end there. It's not probably as dry as ours.
I tell you what, it's very quaffable.
It's very
I
quaffable.
could drink a lot of that and get in a big mess.
This is 5.7. You'd be like,
I think I was the other Friday night, to be honest, but there you go. It's a 10 out, straight 10 out of 10 for me, bro. It's fantastic beer.
It's 10 out of 10, and as it was before, does it go on the 12 points?
You know, now I've tasted it, it's reminded me how good it is.
Yes, yes.
Good
enough to go on 12 beer kits of Partridge?
It's a possibility. It is a possibility, because but space is running out now. Shall I get the board?
Get the board.
I'll get the board.
Because Kutch, after the discussion last time, Kutch did go on to the board.
I'll try and do it so it's on camera.
I've got you a little bit of light down there though as well now.
Look.
There you go.
If you see it, people, there you go.
And we put Kutch and
I'll let you read it, bro.
Okay, let's start at number 12 again. We've got the Continental Pilsner, Woodford's Rowie, and then the Mangrove Jack's Juicy IPA, and then we've got Munton's Tiny Rebel, and then Dark Rock Brewing Shipyard Park Grain.
So we've actually only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots left.
Well, this is a problem, isn't it? Because there's so many good beer kits on the market.
That could be in there, but I don't know if it's a top 5.
No, I think it's 5 or 6 or 7.
6 or 7. It's a good beer. I like that.
So we'll put that on the list, I think, in either 6th or 7th place. Like you say, you know, it's a bit tight at the top, isn't it?
If you are new to it and you're into your malt extract kits and you haven't gone full Park Grain yet, that is an excellent kit.
That's an excellent kit. That is
a
I won't get much better than
yes.
that, really.
Yes, agreed. Are we going on another beer then, bro?
We're going on another beer.
I love this job.
And another one we've had before. We're going to Young's, and they do a kit called a Mocha Porter. They do a range of World Series beers. American IPA, it's already on the list as the 12 beer kits of Partridge. And they do this one, and it's a American Mocha Porter.
It's American Mocha Porter. He's already told you what it is. Basically, it's a 5.8. Oh, again, not that. It's a bit strong, isn't it, mate?
You get a bag of sugar to add again into this as well, so yeah.
Pours a dark chocolate with a big off-white fluffy head. I've always wanted a big off-white fluffy head. An amazing intense aroma of coffee and chocolate explode from the glass. Ooh, amazing flavour. There's a great complexity here. Coffee, chocolate, comes through nicely, blah, 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 blah. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Oh, did I show you the box, people? I don't know if I did.
Showing the box. Show the box once again.
It's that again.
And if you flip it round now, you'll see all the series they do in that range. And we've done most of them out of that range.
Yes.
But I think this American one, the American IPA and this one are probably my two favourites.
Yes. Right. Now then, here we go then.
Before you even go anywhere, you can smell the intense coffee aroma.
I hope you like coffee.
There's a good intense coffee aroma, mixed with some hops and a little bit of chocolate maybe.
That's fantastic.
But as far as beer kits smelling, that is probably one of the sweetest smelling beer kits.
It's very sweet smelling. If you like chocolate and coffee, that's just like it's basically an alcoholic glass full of it. Mm.
Oh dear Lord. No, you reckon the last beer kit was good?
You know what? It's going to have to be one of these.
Oh, it's an owl!
Oh, that is sublime. And I'm not usually a big fan of dark beers.
But here, you've got the intense flavours of a slight coffee and dark chocolate stoutiness mixed in with a good dry bitterness. And all together
it's still going on. I can still taste it.
The tastes and the flavours are immense. It's so complex. It's unbelievable for a kid.
I tell you what, as well, this time of year, heading towards Christmas,
This is why I brewed it again.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Now that for me definitely is a 10 out of 10, and it's a definite on the list.
It's definitely on the list. I think it's in my top 5.
It could easily be. That is brilliant. And that's saying something for me because I'm not a big dark beer fan.
So this is the thing. If you normally think, oh, I don't like dark beers, don't like, I just drink golden beers.
Got to try it.
You've just got to try that.
It's
like a dark IPA. That is fantastic.
There is everything going on in that. It's brilliant.
More later.
Again, quite quaffable, and you can end up in a big mess again.
That's it. Yeah, that's a serious problem. Isn't it? 5.8.
It's lovely that. I'm pretty sure, because I know this, I think I've got a third beer.
We have got a third beer, but it's not a kit this time.
Ooh.
I've been across to a place and tried to replicate one of my favourite beers, which is
Adnams Gose.
You got it.
I do like a bit of Gose.
Yeah, we do, don't we? We do like a bit of Gose. So I've been on to a brewer's friend, Tarkin Gose, and you get a few recipes, Bob.
When he says a few, how many did you get, Bray?
Quite a few.
I think it's quite a lot.
So I picked the top one, and this is from a guy called...
I think Mecha Mania Bow. A Ghost Ship clone. All grain, American Pale Ale. Tells you boil time, tells you litres, tells you gravity, tells you efficiency, tells you calories even. It's got a lot on it.
Yeah.
Brews to 4.53, so it's a nice, quite a nice session beer, which is what Ghost Ship is.
Yeah.
Right, well, yeah.
Well, this is a kit. So it's not a kit. This recipe I replicated. I went to get a brewed, order the grains and hops to the exact specification.
Yeah, everything's on here.
There.
Yeah.
I did pick this recipe, and I did another recipe that you did see me brewing in my Brew Devil on Brew Day.
If you haven't seen
so
it...
this is not the one. The next time we have
I'll say, if you haven't seen it, check last video, his Brew Day video. It's very good, very informative.
This is it now.
Oh, it's the right colour.
It's the right colour.
Although, I was drinking Ghost Ship last night, and I think it's probably a little bit darker than that.
Well, Ghost Ship's a bit darker, or this is a bit darker.
No, Ghost Ship's a bit darker, because you think it's a real golden beer, but actually when you drink it, it's a bit darker than that, I think. But
Pretty nice, like.
it's nice light coloured beer.
Nice, I really like colour beer, isn't it? Yeah, well, I can smell the hops, but they're not citry. Yeah, like.
It's a funny smell, that. Oh, I can't place that.
No.
It's. I'm going to be honest. The smell's not knocking me socks off.
No. But then Ghost Ship, I opened a can of Ghost Ship last night, and it does smell. You can smell it.
Yes.
It doesn't smell like that.
No, it doesn't. And I've got a few at home. I should have bought one round.
We should have.
Are we going in?
Going in.
Let's go in. Cheers, folks.
I think you'll take another mouthful because you've had these 2 intense flavoured beers.
I don't care.
Have another mouthful.
He's making me do this. You see him? He's making me do this. Right.
It's not that. It's not that.
Fresh.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's nothing like Gose, but it's not that bad.
This is where I get barred. You've made worse.
I've made better, no,
You've made a lot better. It's not Gose.
It's not Gose by a long chance. That recipe is way out.
I can kind of see where they're trying to go with it.
Yeah. It's a light golden beer, but they've got the hop balance completely wrong.
One of the others is killing the citra off because Gose predominantly for me has that big citra punch to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Even says on the packaging it's a big citra beer.
There wasn't a lot of citra hops going in here, and there isn't enough dryness either. So there isn't enough cascade in there, and there isn't enough citra in there. But
Something's killing the citra for me on that one. The more I drink of it, I probably pulled a face to start with. You could drink it. It's fine. It's a golden beer.
it's a golden light.
But it's not Gose.
It's not Gose, and it's nearly nondescript, as in like
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's golden beer.
Yeah, a little bit. Whereas those other two that we've just had, the Razorback and the mocha stout, you're still tasting them, aren't you?
Yeah.
That I've already
This is
forgotten.
probably what we should have had this one first, actually, because they were intense, some big bold flavours. This is very lacking on its flavours, really.
You know, sometimes you go to a pub and you don't want to go into the best beers first, so you just have a cheap, sort of like, not doing bar, but you know, that's that.
Yes.
It's a little bit in that sort of class of beer. You drink it, it's beer, it's fine, but it's no special.
So if you want Gose, don't do that recipe.
No. Out of 10?
Yeah, it's good beer, it's not bad beer.
It's not bad by no long way.
It's a mediocre score, 6, 7.
I'll go same with you on that. You know, you can drink it, it's not off, it's not bad, it's just not what you wanted. Yeah.
It's just not what I wanted.
That's about it, then, bro, isn't it?
That's about it for today.
Oh, lovely jubbly. That was easy.
Of course, if you're not subscribing, please subscribe.
Please
because
do.
next time we'll be doing Proper Job from Dark Rock Brewing.
I love Proper
We'll be doing Cooper's Irish Stout.
Ooh,
and I did say we was going to do it this time, but we kind of got it delayed a little bit.
Is it Pro Road again?
It's Pro Road. So we're going to do Mango Jack's Pink Grapefruit IPA.
Oh, I'd love that. Yeah.
So if you don't want to miss that and see what we reckon, and see if it's gone on the 12 beer kits of Partridge list,
Make sure you subscribe.
make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from me.